Hi, today I'm going to show how you can protect your Android device with the Trusted app to prevent costly cyber attacks and data breaches for both you and your company. To get started, all you need to do is open your Mail app. From here, you should have received an email from your IT team, but if you can't find it, search for no reply at control.traced.app. Upon opening the email, you'll notice that it includes some information about what we're doing. We're connecting your device to your company's security dashboard in order to protect your Android device. In the email, it will also include some information here about what information gets shared with the organization. Rest assured that no privacy sensitive information will be shared with the organization, and if this is on a personal device, all the Trusted app should share with the organization is a red, amber or green security health status of your device and some very basic device information such as its make, model and Android operating system version. When you're ready, scroll down in the email and click the Register Your Device button. From here, click the Get on Google Play button, which will take you to the Google Play Store, and tap Install to install the Trusted app. Once the Trusted app has been installed, go back to your web browser and we're ready for step 2. Click Connect with Trusted and then click Trusted. When you're ready, click Get Started to accept Trusted's terms and conditions and familiarize yourself with the data that will be shared with the organization from the Trusted app. Once you're comfortable, click OK. When you're connected, click OK and then click Sure followed by Allow to allow the Trusted app to run in the background and keep you protected at all times. From here, you'll see that the Trusted app is scanning your apps to look for malware and to keep you protected. Once it's completed its scan, you'll see that it's prompting for action required. This is because we need to set up web protection to keep you protected against threats like phishing and malicious websites. So scroll down and click the Enable On-Device VPN button. Again, your organization will never see which websites you access by enabling this web protection. It will simply keep you protected at all times while browsing the web. And now you're fully protected. Looking forward to keeping you protected, and thanks very much for watching.